This video is brought to you by agtechinsurance.com. Why Controlled Environment Agriculture, CEA, is the future of farming. Technology is constantly improving and innovating to reduce manual labor, increase efficiency and improve the quantity and quality of output. Controlled environment agriculture has the potential to change the course of agriculture as we know it. So what is CEA? CEA is a method of creating fully controlled environments for growing plants. This is sometimes referred to as vertical farming, or indoor farming. These facilities are sealed off from the outside environment. Everything plants need at the various growing stages is provided artificially. What does indoor farming look like today? CEA is already proving instrumental for the production of pharmaceutical products. Most notably, cannabis production for medicinal, cosmetics and health supplements. As more countries introduce licenses and relax laws, the cannabis industry is set to explode. Some farms and farm shops have been able to benefit from small-scale CEA setups to diversify their produce. Flowers, herbs and micro-salads are well suited to CEA layouts as space can be maximized. Indoor farming is already gaining interest from supermarkets, retailers, pharmaceutical companies and investors. It may be the change we need to help overcome food supply challenges on the horizon. What does farming for the future look like? By 2050, we will need to increase global food production by up to 70% to feed everyone. We will need an extra 20% of land to achieve this using current farming practices. CEA can help take positive steps towards a more sustainable and profitable future. World Watch Institute found that the conventional food distribution system uses 4 to 17 times more CO2 than the local and regional systems. What is the opportunity for regional farmers? Many of the environmental and industrial changes mentioned above are already impacting farmers and exacerbating food security concerns. Time is of the essence to implement new practices that will help overcome them. Nature is unpredictable, but with consistent optimum conditions, you can guarantee growth rate and the quality of produce. Synchronize ideal lighting spectrums, nutrient intake and transpiration with a crop. Farmers can rely less on manual labor. Crop management can be automated or controlled by one person using digital applications. By removing crops from environments with pests and weeds, farmers can reduce their reliance on chemicals. General watering used in traditional farming methods to irrigate plants results in a greater water requirement than what is needed. CEA allows more land growth per acre than traditional farming. You can even convert barns and existing buildings into indoor farms, whilst taking full advantage of government schemes. In the UK and Europe, many farming decisions are based on what government subsidies are available at the time. So is CEA really feasible? With the right expertise, farmers can start out with a small-scale facility to test the ROI while minimizing upfront investment. By buying components of a CEA farm, rather than full solutions, it is possible to improve existing horticultural operations. Every step of the agricultural supply chain is already recognizing the benefits of CEA. Starting small-scale allows you to test the potential for diversifying your produce on site. Heating and ventilation units are needed to maintain consistent conditions during warmer or colder months. They also help to offset heat created by lighting. LED growing lights are used to provide plants with all the nutrients they would naturally get from the sun. Unlike traditional irrigation, hydroponics distributes a nutrient-rich solution directly to the roots of plants. An alternative to hydroponics, aquaponics puts more oxygen in the root zone to help plants perform better. At the heart of every CEA system must be an understanding of the requirements of the plants you are aiming to cultivate. It is entirely possible to alter how plants grow, or the phytochemicals they produce, by changing environmental conditions. In this manner, there are opportunities to develop novel food or pharmaceutical products utilizing this technology. Technology is constantly improving and innovating to reduce manual labor, increase efficiency and improve the quantity and quality of output. Controlled environment agriculture has the potential to change the course of agriculture as we know it. We hope you enjoyed today's insight into the latest news within the Agtech sector. Stay tuned for more videos brought to you by agtechinsurance.com.